Students, today's session discuss hydroxyl compounds and ethers. So first of all discuss now hydroxyl compounds. So that functional group is hydrogen and oxygen functional group, hydroxyl functional group. So bond oxygen, bond hydrogen. So hydrogen with oxygen, hydroxyl functional group. So how to the learn 11th standard session well prepared for IUPAC name. So now discuss the same like that. So hydroxyl group is also alcohol group. It will be IUPAC used to the all. Is have to 11th standard hydroxyl hydrolysis process alkyl halide group. Alkyl is a R group and halide groups give the react with the gives alcohol. Hydrolysis process gives alcohol is a containing hydroxyl group is the important for example like that methanol, methyl alcohol like that, industrial solvent and same like that additive ethyl alcohol additive to the petrol in the highly purified petrols. Isopropyl alcohol now only used as the hand sanitizer, skin cleanser for injection. And next will be that hydroxyl group alcohol converted to the many other functional group is the basic and that alcohol's important resource synthetic organic chemistry. So now learn classifications of alcohols. So functional group is OH, bond OH. So alcohol, monohydric alcohol, polyhydric alcohol. That the OH group is also one time present is called monohydric alcohol. The same compound, the OH group is also more than time will be present is called polyhydric alcohol. So monohydric alcohol is the sp3 hybridization of carbon atom. So compared to the polyhydric alcohol is the sp2 hybridization, example vinyl alcohol. So like that is a monohydric alcohol sp2 hybridization possible for monohydric alcohol, example vinyl alcohol. And next will be consider polyhydric alcohol like that diol, the CH2 is the both the carbon is like that the structure CH2OH will be like that carbon 1 and carbon 2 carbon ethane. So 1 2 times means di alcohol group is OL used. So 1 2 diol ethane 1 2 diol ethane 1 2 diol. So common name is also glycol, another one common name diol. So dihydric alcohol, the more than OH group increase like that trihydric alcohol, example like that CH2OH bond CHOH, another bond increase CH2OH is like that 1 2 3 propane, 3 carbon propane, 1 2 3 carbon means tri propane, 1 2 3 tri is a 3 alcohol group all, 1 2 3 triol, propane triol. So common name glycerol is like that is also polyhydric alcohol. Next will be hexahydric alcohol. The CHOH group will be increased for than time, fifth carbon, so first carbon plus 4 carbon carboxyl group. CHOH is the carboxyl group. Like that sorbitol, common name sorbitol. So total carbon 6, hexane 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexal. So more than polyhydric alcohol is also given. So now discuss monohydric alcohol is a 3 type. So alkyl alcohol, another one allyl alcohol, another one benzyl group. So this is a saturated, unsaturated allyl group, OH group attached, and benzyl group attached. So we will be discuss alkyl group discuss is like that. OH group attached for alkyl group. So primary alcohol. The first carbon will be attached to that primary alcohol. OH group is also that R group is also one times is also present is the carbon atom attached of alcohol. The same carbon atom attached as the R group is also two times attached is a secondary alcohol. The same carbon atom alkyl group attached is the methyl group, three times is also tertiary alcohol. So IUPAC name like that, carbon 1 2 ethanol, 1 2 3 3 carbon, second carbon atom will be attached to alcohol. So 1 2 3 carbon propane, 2 all, another 1 2 3. So same like that, 2 methyl, 3 carbon prop, 2 alcohol, 1 2 3 2 methyl, 3 carbon propane, 2 all. Same like that, allyl group is also in double bond, same like that. Example like that, CH2 double bond, CH bond, CH2 bond, OH. So 1 2 3 carbon prop, second carbon double bond. So second carbon in, first carbon attached of alcohol group 1 all, prop 2 in 1 all. Same like that, attached the longest chain was the 1 2 3 is also find out. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So third carbon double bond and second carbon alcohol attached. So 4 carbon bute, 3 third carbon in 1 all. Next same like that, 4 carbon, 5 carbon atom is also here. So longest chain is 1 2 3 4. So third carbon is also double bond. So second carbon methyl group, another one second carbon alcohol group. So 2 methyl bute, 4 carbon bute, 3 in 2 all, second carbon methyl group, third carbon in 4 carbon atom bute, second carbon alcohol all. So IUPAC name 2 methyl, 4 carbon bute, 3 in 2 all. So 2 methyl bute, 3 in 2 all. Next will be consider C6H5 is also phenyl IUPAC. So this is a CH3 OH is a methyl group, one hydrogen removed, CH2 attached to the phenyl group. So C6H5 CH2OH, phenyl methanol. This is a closed chain, this is a open chain compound. Another benzyl group. So another 2 carbon attached is aliphatic carbon atom and aromatic carbon atom attached. So aliphatic carbon atom first longest chain will be 1 2 3 find out. So first carbon, second carbon. So first carbon phenyl and 2 carbon ethanol, 1 phenyl ethanol. Here also 3 carbon find out, 2 second position phenyl group, another one 1 2 3 carbon propane, 2 second carbon atom attached of OH group, 2 all, 2 phenyl, 3 carbon propane, 2 alcohol. So this is the find out. Most of IUPAC name is also given your exam. So you will be well preferred for ene compound and attached with alcohol hydroxyl functional group. You will be well prepared. So and preparation further process is like that, based on that hydroxyl group discussed for next class session. Thank you to all.